Welcome everyone back to Instagram Live. We're here at our West Hollywood adjacent property where we're in the middle of doing our renovations. We wanted to give you an update on where we stand.
So let's pop into a unit. We're currently renovating 3 units. They were all, if you guys have been paying attention, I think we've been here a lot kind of showing the process. I think it's really cool to see the progression. If you step into the unit here, so these were all 2-bed, 2-bath. We've taken them from to 3-bed, 3-bath. We passed rough inspection about 2 weeks ago, finished up all the drywall so you can see there's no more exposed wood. Did all the drywall, mudding, taping, you know, we smoothed out the ceilings, and now we're in the final phase. The flooring was just installed. When we go to the unit upstairs, we'll see the tile guys. They're doing the shower tile, the kitchen backsplash. So we're really in that final stage now where we're wrapping up, going to be installing the plumbing fixtures, the countertops, and get these ready for lease up. So really excited about this progress. We can see, you know, we put in all the recessed lights. These are going to be fantastic units.
Yeah, we actually just had our leasing agents come out to give us some feedback on the units in terms of pricing, in terms of additional items that they want us to do in order to make the units as presentable as possible for a lease up. So it's always helpful to have your leasing team come out a couple weeks before, you know, you're finishing up construction, to make sure we're all on the same page about pricing and any last minute fixes that we need to make.
Exactly. So all the units will have stainless steel appliances. There'll be a 36-inch fridge with an ice maker and a water line. We'll have a really nice oven and range combination with the micro hood up top, and dishwashers. All the units will have dishwashers as well. There's central AC and heat, so you can see the ducting coming out of the living room. We'll see them in the bedrooms as well. So we'll have central throughout. Washer and dryer closets here. And then this is where it gets pretty interesting. So this unit in particular, this wall right here didn't exist. We put up this wall, framed it in, and made this a bedroom. We had to move the kitchen on the back side of this, and we basically made this like a huge master. So we actually have a double closet here, and it has an ensuite bath, and then access to the backyard as well.
Yeah, this bedroom is massive. It's probably the largest bedroom in our entire portfolio.
Yeah. I would say it's maybe like almost 200 square feet. Direct access to the backyard. And you can also access this backyard from the kitchen. So in terms of, if this isn't your bedroom, you can still get back here, host dinner parties, have friends over, work outside, chill outside, drink coffee in the morning, whatever you want.
Just
I think it's
make sure to invite me and Max to the dinner party.
Precisely. We have the ensuite bath. So this tile, it hasn't been installed yet. But when we go upstairs, we'll see the tile. Yeah, huge vanity too.
Hopefully it'll look a little different than this.
Yeah, so you can see this is probably like a 50, these are all custom, so this is probably a 52-inch vanity.
Toilet will go right over here.
And so yes, this is a big bedroom. We were able to still maintain a really good dining room, living room, great room with a nice sized kitchen. And then these other 2 bedrooms are still, you know, 130 to 150 square feet. So still really good size.
Great closet space as well.
Yeah, so this is the common bath, hallway bath that will be used also for this bedroom where we are now. And even this bedroom, you could still fit a king size bed. You have double closets, a really nice window, so you get a lot of natural light. So we're really excited about this. This is an amazing unit, no doubt about it.
This is a 3rd bedroom with an ensuite bathroom as well. Here's a closet.
Walk-in closet for all the shoes, clothes.
Dead bodies.
That too. And you can see a really cool ensuite bath. So this has a stand-up walk-in shower. And we'll show same thing, the same tile will be going in there. So this unit, I think it's around like 1600 square feet. So really good size 3-bed, super spacious. And then you also have the bonus outdoor space. It's probably another 700 square feet out there. So upstairs, same thing. We'll have, I don't know why you're smiling, but it was a 2-bed, 2-bath, going to 3-bed, 3-bath. And we'll pop up there, say hi to the workers, see what's going on. Why are you all smiley, Elijah?
I'm just happy with the progress of this project.
We'll go in, but I won't do much talking just because of the noise, but I think we could show the layout, the functionality, the upstairs, the natural light, show the tile, and just kind of the layouts, because this is an amazing unit. We have the skylight here. We could pop in really quick.
Hey guys.
So this used to just be a living room, dining room, and we made this into a kitchen. Hola, ¿cómo estás? So you walk in, you have storage closet, you have washer dryer, and then we made this really cool kitchen that looks out into the living room. So the kitchen actually will go where the 3rd bedroom is now. It used to be the kitchen, and you should just walk into dining room, living room. But we're able to transform this. We're gonna have a nice, really cool bar top. You'll have your sink and your dishwasher, your stove and your fridge. Extra seating at the bar top. Still really good sized living room. And then if you flip it around, we also, hola, ¿cómo estás? You have a really nice balcony here. And it's private. I mean, you have all these trees, show the trees. You're kind of tucked away back here, and it extends all the way.
It's a huge balcony. It extends the entire distance of the unit.
So we framed in this wall. It probably used to open to like right here. So we framed it in, but you would walk in to a little breakfast nook and a kitchen. And what we did is we closed it off, made the bedroom. It's a little bit smaller bedroom. It's probably like 100 square feet, but you have a full-size closet and then an ensuite bath. And here the tile has started to go in the shower, so we can really see how cool.
This tile's amazing.
It's unbelievable. If you get up close down there, you could probably see the shimmer, yeah.
Shimmer and shine.
And these will have glass doors on them. You have a full-size vanity. I mean, I don't know, it excites, I love it. It's too good. So same thing, we still have recessed lights. We'll have the central AC. And then here is the common bath. Elijah knocking things over.
I'll try not to, you break it, you got to pay for it. So.
And then another really good sized bedroom. So these bedrooms, this one and the next one will show were existing. All we did was change the closet layout a little bit and clean them up. And then this one has the ensuite.
Ensuite bath.
Full tub. So you can see the tile. And then another walk-in closet here. ¿Todo bien?
Ya, todo bien.
¿No hay nadie más
No.
para tile? Solo ustedes.
Sí.
So we're probably 3 to 4 weeks out, which means 4 to 5 weeks. In construction, you got to read between the lines. So if they say 3 to 4 weeks out, it's 4 to 5 weeks. And we look to get on the leasing market and
Just really
achieve
quick, this is
market
the
rent.
kitchen backsplash. So again, just show, like, we're spending so much time in the design, even with the layouts, with the architect when we submitted plans to the city. going over the finished material list with the contractor, even picking the flooring. Went through so many options, had the contractor send photos of other installed flooring from other projects, and I mean, I feel like we're making the right decisions here. We're really paying attention to the detail because this is a high-end market. We've already spent so much on the construction, so spending the extra 10% for the right finished material is really going to pay off for the rents that we're going to get here. Sorry to.
No, amazing, amazing. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. If anyone has any questions or want to talk to us about these units or any other properties you have for sale or interest in investing with us, please feel free to reach out. Maxx at the Goldfinger Group, at the Goldfinger Group on Instagram, also at Hueliahu Instagram, and we look forward to being in touch. See you guys next time.